Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing a gel fill. First, I've already removed my previous design and now I'm just going to go in and add some dehydrator right at the base of the nail where there's some growth. Then I'm going to go in with some primer and add it in the same area. I just wanted to point out that I did add a little too much glue when I initially put these gel tips on. I really didn't think I was going to be wearing them that long, so I didn't think about taking my e-file to it and just cleaning it up. But since I am doing a fill, I probably should have taken my e-file to clean that up a little bit. If it's more flush to the nail, you're not going to have as much dust getting stuck behind there and the nail glue turning a little bit yellow. So if it looks discolored, that is the reason why. I did try to clean it up, but it was just not coming off all the way. So now I'm going to take some rubber base and I'm just going to place that at the base of the nail and work its way up. I'm not covering the entire nail, just the bottom part where I need to fill it in. You're going to want to cure that in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with some structure gel. This is from Gelish. You could also use Builder gel or like Builder in a bottle. Anything that has a thicker consistency to even this nail out. I'm going to take that across the whole nail and try to get as close to the cuticle as possible without flooding it. This is only about a week's worth of growth. It's really not that bad, but I was going out of town and I just really wanted them to look nice and I did not want the 4th of July design on there anymore for that.
I got too much on my mind. I got too much on my mind these days. To be dealing with your mood swings. So I beg you, baby, please, no games. I got too much on my mind. I got too much on my plate. You just wanna know, child. I just need some time and space. I just need another day. Need to find another way. Girl, I used to play some sports, but I'm sick of all the guys. Now I don't care about your plans. Girl, I'm sorry, I just can't. I'm just doing what I can.
This is how we are looking after all of the nails have been filled and cured in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. You can see from the side angle here that it is flush to the nail and smooth at the cuticle area. Looking nice. And I'm just going to take some rubbing alcohol and clean off that sticky layer. And for filing, we're not going to do much of the filing. I do not use my e-file at all. I'm just going to take my hand file and even out the surface, and then I'm going to take my buffing block and also smooth out the surface further with that. This is after everything has been filed, shaped, and buffed. I'm now going to go in with some Perfect White. I'm going to be applying a thin layer, but an even layer. So I do 2 coats of this all over my nails, curing the lamp for a full 60 seconds. For our design today, I'm going to be doing some Seashell pearly nails. I've been inspired by all of the mermaid nails that I've been seeing all over TikTok and Instagram. So I really wanted to do a set inspired by that. I'm going in with some of this polish that I got on Amazon, and this is a super pretty iridescent blue color. I put the white down first because this is a really sheer color and I thought it'd make it pop a lot more, and it really does. So I'm applying 2 coats of this and then I'm going to cure in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. I'm going to repeat the same steps on all of the nails and then I'll be back. After you cure those in the lamp for a full 60 seconds, you're going to want to top coat and then cure again for another 60 seconds. Because once you add the 3D lines, you're not going to want to add a top coat over top of that because everything will just kind of blend in together. We really want these lines to stick out. You do need to use like a gem glue or something that can give you that 3D effect. If you use like builder gel or top coat, again, everything's just going to level out and run into each other and it's not going to look the same. So this is some rhinestone glue from Modelones. I'm just taking a nail art brush and strategically placing those lines on the nails, and then I'm going to cure the lamp for a full 60 seconds. I do repeat the same process on all of the nails, and after I cure for a full minute, I'm going to go in and just add some little dots, and we're going to put some pearls on to really finish off this look and give it that underwater seashell effect. Here is the finished look. I absolutely love this nail polish color. The iridescent blue just stands out so well on top of this white base, and it looks gorgeous in the sunlight. Everything just pops. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this set and if you would wear them. We have finally made it over the 500 subscriber threshold, and I'm so excited that I've unlocked the community tab now, and I'll be able to talk to you guys a little bit more and just get an idea of kind of what you want to see. But as always, I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. If you're into nail content, I do post every week. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.